Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with VWO for conversion rate optimization step by step clearly. Visit the official VWO website at VWO.com. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Ensure that your password meets the security requirements listed. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will confirm your email address and activate your account. Once verified, return to the VWO website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your VWO dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. You can start by creating your first project for conversion rate optimization. Follow the prompts to set up your project, including naming it and selecting your goals. Integrate your website by adding the necessary tracking code as instructed. Once the code is added, return to your dashboard to customize your tests. Utilize VWO's various tools, such as A/B testing, heat maps, and user surveys. Monitor your results and analyze data to inform your optimization strategies. Continue to explore tutorials and resources available on the VWO website for further guidance. You're now ready to enhance your website's conversion rate with VWO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.